right, so you want to like get a handle on AP computer science,
AP CSA?
right? AP CSA, but like without, weeks of digging through like dry textbooks and stuff.
Absolutely. We want to make it accessible.
Yeah, exactly. We've got the official course description right here, and our mission today is to figure out what this course actually it entails, what you're going to learn, and why someone might be interested.
It's a great way to understand how software is built and how problems can be solved using code.
Yeah, so like right away, this thing is billed as like equivalent to a first semester college programming course. That's kind of a big deal, right? Like this isn't just some intro. It's like a genuine head start if you're thinking about college, or even just like a solid foundation if you're curious about the field.
Yeah, it's designed to give you a working understanding of these like core principles.
Right. And they use Java to do all this.
That's right.
Now, Java's been around for a while, so is it still like a big deal in software development?
Oh, absolutely. Java's still huge, especially for like large business applications and anything Android.
So you're not learning some outdated language.
Definitely not.
Yeah.
It's a great foundation even for learning other languages later on.
Okay, so we're talking college-level concepts in Java. What are the actual things you learn? The description breaks it down into a few key areas.
Yeah, so one of the most interesting things is that it blends like abstract ideas with practical application.
Okay.
So you'll dive into object-oriented design.
I've heard that term before, but what does it actually mean?
It's kind of like building software with digital Legos,
Okay, I like that.
where you have these self-contained blocks that are easy to like manage and reuse.
So it's like a way of organizing your code.
Exactly. And then there are algorithms, which are the step-by-step instructions for solving problems.
So like giving the computer really detailed directions.
Right, precisely. And then there are data structures, which are all about how information is organized and managed within a program.
So that sounds like organizing like a digital filing cabinet.
It is very similar. And, imagine trying to find something in a messy pile versus a well-organized cabinet.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Data structures are all about making software efficient.
So it's not just about typing code. It's about thinking strategically about how the code is structured and like how it solves problems.
Yeah, that's a big part of it. And the course actually highlights problem solving as like a core skill.
Which makes sense. Computer science is all about solving problems, right?
Absolutely. And programming is just the way you express those solutions so that a computer can understand.
Right. So this course is all about developing that like logical analytical thinking.
Yeah, it's very hands-on.
Oh, really? How so?
Well, the description mentions writing, analyzing, and debugging Java code.
So you're actually getting your hands dirty with the language.
Exactly. You're not just learning theories, you're building stuff, finding errors and figuring out why things aren't working.
Which is a pretty crucial skill.
Oh yeah, debugging is a huge part of any programmer's life.
And they also mention understanding software development processes. So you get to see how apps and programs are actually made.
Yeah, it gives you the bigger picture. Coding is often just one part of a much larger effort.
With like planning and designing and testing and all that.
Exactly.
So someone's listening and they're thinking, okay, this sounds cool, but like, do I need to know anything beforehand to take this course?
So officially, you need to have done Algebra 1.
Which makes sense with all the logical thinking involved.
Right. And they also suggest having some basic programming knowledge.
Like you don't have to be a coding whiz, but it helps.
It's like knowing your way around a kitchen before trying to bake a cake.
But at its core, this course is about like understanding how software is created and how problems are solved programmatically.
Yeah, there's a real aha moment potential there.
Like seeing the logic behind the technology we use every day.
Definitely.
So to sum up this deep dive has shown us that AP CSA is a legit first semester college level intro to computer programming using Java.
Yep, that's a great summary.
You learn how to structure software, you learn how to solve problems, organize data efficiently, and you gain real practical skills in writing and understanding code.
And it equips you with this like crucial computational thinking that can be applied to so many different areas.
It's pretty amazing to think that software is becoming like even more integrated into our lives.
Yeah, it's everywhere.
So how might understanding these basic programming principles give you a new perspective on technology and innovation?
That's a great question.
It's definitely something to think about. Thanks for taking this deep dive with us.
It was my pleasure.
And to our listeners, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.
See ya.
Sorry.
Bye.